Hey traders, this is Taylor with Topic Trading. It's late Friday afternoon, and I want to see if we can get a final little second entry here right before Christmas weekend. So let's see if we can get anything to set up. You can see we've got this two little uptrends working. This golden one that could get confirmed here, and then this tighter one that just got the first break. So either way, we're looking for a retest of this high. And earlier we had that brownish colored spike in channel, and I believe that needs to retest the high as well. So let's see if we can close at the EMA. I'd rather this not close below it. And perfect, it backs up right at the last moment of the bar. And we've got a first entry, so let's see if we can get a second entry long here. And really this looks like two larger legs up too, so this could actually be seen as a failed second entry short on a larger picture as well. So yeah, it's just one way to look at it. We are coming off the highs of this range, but I think if the EMA holds, it'll break those range highs as well. So, and that the blue range, I mean. And that micro downtrend may be valid, but if we close significantly above that trend line, then I'm not too worried about it. You can see the bigger picture here, this spike in channel now that needs the retest. There's a little bit of support resistance across this level too, a little bit above the midline of the range. You can see prices have been reacting there several times. And we did tick below our potential setup bar here, so we could form a nice signal bar here, and it looks like two legs back, and maybe the downtrend, this micro downtrend's a little tighter, and we've got a break and new low. Like the way I have it drawn now. And we are reacting here, and we're shooting up now. Hopefully this doesn't get too large. It's looking to be a pretty good signal bar. It's going to be pretty big. But the ATR has been a little bit higher today, so you have to hold your nose on some of these if it's similar size to the rest of the bars for that day. And there we go, we closed one tick off its high. I'm going to go ahead and enter this at the high. I don't want to miss this. It's going to be a big risk. Looks like a little over 4-point risk, but we're going to go for 4 as well. And that'll get us out before the highs of the spike in channel. May take a minute for this to take off just because that signal bar went pretty far on its own. They want to retrace about 50%, which is pretty common for big reversal bars. And so I'll actually move this to 1-to-1. We'll see how it looks as the trade progresses, but this would be 18 ticks rather than 16 like I've been doing. But we'll see if I have the wherewithal to hold it. Gotten pretty used to 16 on most of these, so we'll see. And even though these bars are bigger today, it's still moving rather slow, and it's been getting slower as we get closer to the close on a holiday weekend. So yeah, a lot of the context aligns for this. I'll just list it once more. The larger brown colored spike and channel on the left half of your screen, I believe that needs a retest after this first break we've gotten. We've got two recent uptrends working up now. One has a break and new high, and then the greenish color one still needs a retest of that high after this break, and then also this bounce right here confirmed this golden colored uptrend as well. And so you combine that with a second entry long and a really bullish bar at the EMA and that key entry point, and also that support resistance level I drew with the red line there. I believe all that combined is enough context to like this trade. And then lastly, I forgot to mention that probably on a larger picture, this looks like a large failed second entry short. You can see clearly two legs up here. So our entry bar did close bullish, not as much as I would have liked, but it's still working in our favor, so we're going to hold on to this trade and see how it progresses. So yeah, I think I've explained the context of this trade pretty well. Prices are moving really slow, so I'm going to cut my mic here and come back as we get closer to either winning or losing this trade. So you guys enjoy, and I'll be back shortly. So hey guys, I'm back. We're getting really close to that profit target of 18 ticks, 1-to-1. But honestly, this is backing up here. I'm going to go ahead and take 16. I'm ready to get out of here for the weekend. And there we go. We could have probably held on and gotten 18. It was going in our favor, but I'm happy with 16. So you guys have a great weekend and Merry Christmas.